Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I've got a few requests from a few friends of mine to make workout videos, which I will definitely do sometime. I decided to keep this video workout related, and I'm going to give you a few tips of mine on how to motivate yourself to exercise. Working out does not always mean lifting weights. Any form of exercise is great. If you like to dance, then dance. You like cycling, then cycle. Jogging, then jog. Swimming, then swim. So basically, you just got to find a form of exercise that you love and go for it. Consider it your me time. Keep it slow. Everything takes time. Instead of trying to work out maybe 1 hour every day, try to set more practical and achievable goals. So maybe you could try working out about 15 to 20 minutes, 2-3 times a week, and with time you can gradually improve it. Exercising with a friend or a group of people is a great way to build the habit of exercising. Not only do you enjoy your workouts, but it builds accountability. And this really helps a lot of people to keep up with the habit of working out. Now, if you like to work out alone and you're able to keep up with the schedule, this is definitely not necessary. You can definitely do it your way. But working out with a friend or a group of people is definitely a nice way because it not only refreshes your body but refreshes your mind too. Add it to your habit tracker or calendar. The more you see it, the more you'll do it. And if you don't have any of these, then please do have one. It really helps you get organized and productive during the day. And make working out a top priority because let exercise be your stress reliever, not food. Humans are made to exercise, and you should never forget this. A little exercise today is what your future self will thank you for. Let me put forward a very nice saying I came across. We are all born with 3 things: a body, a mind, and a lifetime. How you use the first 2 determines the third. I personally like to listen to motivational audios and audiobooks, and I also like reading a lot of inspirational books. And on my morning walks, I definitely love listening to these audios. Another thing I like to do is I like to surround myself with motivational quotes, and this really motivates me and inspires me to get better every single day. And this definitely works for me, and I do know what works for me may not work for somebody else, but you would never know if you have not tried it out, so do give it a try. Once your brain has decided what to do the next day, there's a higher possibility of following through it. Keeping your attire ready and somewhere close where you can see it from your bedside is another good hack. I'm usually excited with my workout outfit, so it works for me. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. So these are a few of my tips on how to motivate yourself to exercise. And if you have any more tips that I have not mentioned and they have worked for you, then definitely do post them in the comment section below, because what has worked for you may work for somebody else, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to help each other out. And if you like my video and you want to support me, then please do consider hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment and share. See you in the comments. Bye.